Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with the second video in a series of videos where I am using my Dollar Tree stickers to make really pretty cards. So let me show you what I used. First up, I used this paper from Anna Griffin. It's the matte foil cardstock. It is 60 sheets of 6x8 cardstock sheets. I really love this paper, different colors in there. And then for the paper I used was the Anna Griffin Hanoka paper. I don't have the packaging to show you because I took it all out of the packaging, but it's the Hanoka paper. It's really pretty paper. And let's see which Dollar Tree stickers I used this time around. So this time I used the really pretty butterfly. Now I know you've seen these stickers, you possibly have some in your stash. Now and then when I go in a Dollar Tree, I see these and I think, oh, I don't have that color, or look at that pretty butterfly. Well, how many butterfly stickers do you really need? I have a lot. So, show you what I made. So, I also used some linen ribbon from Stampin' Up. It's called the scallop ribbon. And so this is the card that I made. I made 6 of these. This is the Anna Griffin Hanoka paper at the bottom here, and then there's some paper from my stash, and then the foil paper is the matte piece, and then the butterflies, and then the ribbon. So the reason why I made these, because this is a design that you can really add any sentiment to. You need a card real quick, so you just bust one of these out, and then you can place your sentiment here. So most of the cards, they look really the same, except that I used the different butterflies that I felt matched the pretty pink cardstock, and then the Hanoka paper. So let me show you an example of what you can do. So I have this sentiment in my stash, says happy birthday. I can just add some pretty gems on this, and this card is ready to go. And then I have this one that says thinking of you. Once again, add some jimmies on here, and your card is set. And a couple more examples. This happy birthday, well, I thought maybe the birthday was kind of dark. I didn't adhere this. This is just temporary on here to show you guys. But it did kind of match the circle here, and it could work. And then last but not least, a full thank you from my stash. And then once again, just adding the jimmies to bump it up. So super simple cards using those Dollar Tree butterfly stickers that are really gorgeous. And I'm sure you have some in your stash if you shop at Dollar Tree. But just by making these 6 bases for a card, I'm ready to go, and I can add the sentiment later. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time in this Dollar Tree sticker card series. Bye.